Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics HQ. This is Professor Sandeep, your tutor for the class 11 series. Continuing with the lecture series of solving MCQs and sums, today we'll be covering the textbook MCQs of chapter 14 Semiconductors. Let us check out the first MCQ. Electric conduction through a semiconductor is due to electrons, holes, none of this, or both electrons and holes. So in a semiconductor, basically the conduction is because of both electrons as well as holes. Let us check out the next MCQ. The energy level of holes are in the valence band, in the conduction band, in the band gap but close to valence band, in the band gap but close to conduction band. So the correct option here is option C. Let me show you all. This is the conduction band, let us say, and this is the valence band. Now this energy level of holes are formed somewhere over here, which is near to this valence band, and this happens in p-type semiconductors. Therefore option C is the correct option. Let us go ahead. Current through a reverse bias PN junction increases abruptly at breakdown voltage 0 volt, 0.3 or 0.7 volt. Let us check out the VI characteristics of a PN diode. This is the voltage applied and this is the current through it. When we connect the PN junction diode in forward bias, the graph is somewhat like this, where at around 0.7 volt for a silicon diode current इस तरह से increase होता है. बट रिवर्स बायस जंक्शन का अगर हम लोग बात करें तो बहुत ही स्मॉल अमाउंट में करंट फ्लो होता है, एंड देयर इज दिस अब्रप्ट इंक्रीज इन करंट, एंड दिस हैपेंस एट अ वोल्टेज जिसको ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज बोलते हैं. So the abrupt increase in current in reverse bias PN junction occurs at the breakdown voltage. So the correct option is option A. Let us check out the next MCQ. A reverse bias diode is equivalent to a off switch, on switch, a low resistance, none of this. So in a reverse bias diode, current that is flowing is negligible and we can consider it as an off switch. So the correct option is option A. Next, the potential barrier in PN diode is due to, so to understand this, let us draw this PN junction diode. Let us say this is the P region and this is the N region. अब जब इन लोग को एक साथ में लेके आते हैं तो there are this electrons in this region and there are this holes in this region. Now ये electrons क्या करते हैं, यहाँ से इस बाजू भाग जाते हैं, and जब electrons यहाँ से निकलते, so what they leave back is a positive ion. ये साइड की बाउंड्री पे फॉर्म होता है positive ions, and when they go on the other side and combine with the hole, the atom here in the P region accepts the electron and it forms a negative ion. After exchange of electrons for some time, the amount of charge जो यहाँ पे develop हो जाता है, that is good enough to stop the further flow of charges. And this is nothing but the potential barrier which has formed here because of the accumulation of positive and negative ions near the junction. So the correct option over here will be option D. I hope you all understood this. Thank you for your time. If you are finding this lecture series useful, then show us your appreciation by clicking on the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends and classmates. As you know, based on your feedbacks and suggestions, we will be covering key concepts under our 5-minute lecture series of class 11. So please feel free to let us know the topic you want us to cover. See you all in the next class. This is Professor Sandeep from Physics HQ signing off.